Baba Ndebele sikubikelele sikwamukele
ngelele abalaleli benanda FM eksanje kuyisonto simbonge umdali wezulu nomhlaba osiphe ukuzithanda kuzithemba ubuqotho ungaqoloti sime phezulu amagquma sizenza abantu abaziyo asiphe ukuzithoba intobeko kuzinikela ukuthembeka nesibindi sokumela iqiniso okuzosiza ukuthi sithole ulwazi bese sibuyisela abantu bakithi esimweni njengoba aye umdali wezulu nomhlaba ebadalile yeah
right ke namhlanje i-topic yethu sithi how equally yoked. What are we saying, Baba Ndebele?
Today I'm asking a question based Ekutheni. Are Christians truly equally yoked? We are supposed to have Christian relationships, Christian marriages, Christian togetherness, Christian value system, trust, giving, fortitude, and understanding, which when conducted in a conducive space where there is honor, respect for one another, can produce results, the results that can create a functional, honest, truthful, everlasting marriage. Now, then the Christian philosophers, like Paul.
I
mean, Paul was nothing else but a Christian philosopher. I mean, I don't want to give him the status as beyond the philosopher. Because Paul was self-appointed. Or appointed to Paul. Now, Paul ezinye izinto la kuma epistles azibhalwa ngoyena. His idea of marriage was based on the Greco-Roman culture and philosophy. But he set out to claim the knowledge of Christ, of which he never met. We have nothing against that, Paul. Good job. Baningi abantu namhlanje abaclaim ukuthi babona uJesu. This dude, Paul, owayedayisa amafutha enyoka. He was a snake oil merchant. At some stage, many people do not know that. Two, he was a serial killer. He was a serial killer. He unalived a lot of innocent Christians. Now, Paul then decides that no ways, in changing his ways, in embracing Christianity, he's gonna come with something that will suitably allow him acceptance in the broader communities of the Christian world. And then he sought out to start writings. Now this is how Paul did it, and most scholars agree with me. Paul would spend time in Ephesus. Abuke izinto ezenzeka khona ebesethi ke uKristu engimaziyo. Now let's ask ourselves a question, Mfundisi. Why did Paul claim ukuthi uKristu ukhulume naye? It was going to be very difficult ukuthi uPaul atshela abantu izinto ezinemorality kodwa engaziwa lutho about his reverence of Christ and his relationship with Christ, because many people are aware ukuthi by the time Paul came into the scene, okuningi nje uPaul ayesekhuluma, it was pure claim. Zase zingasekho izinto ezi-associated with uJesu. But Paul had heard about this wonderful apostle Jesus. At some stages of Kumbudu, people do not know that people call Jesus an apostle. At some stage he was known as the seer, the teacher, the rabbi. He was known as the chosen one. There were so many names attributed to people that were closer to him. Here was the problem with Paul. Githi Mfundisi ake senze i-preamble. The problem with Paul, among disciples that were closer to Jesus, ayengakwazi ukufunda nokubhala, they were illiterate. And whatever knowledge that we have that refers to that period of time was based on hearsay and claims, historical claims. Wake wafike eGalile wenzani ke mninazina nikhona wenza ukuthi nokuthi wake futhi wafika nasendaweni ukuthi kwenzakalana. That was a compilation. Okay, here we construct the construction of Christianity. The kuthatha isikhathi umfundisi ukuthi iqiniso ngezinto ezenzeke Council of Nicaea ziphumela obala.
Yeah.
For the better part besingazi ukuthi kwenzakalana eCouncil of Nicaea. Those who believe ukuthi Council of Nicaea created a culture within Christianity, it helped, had their own particular claims towards that. Then you had another legion, abanye abantu, who were attempting to glorify the Council of Nicaea. Kodwa manje inkinga mfundisi, the Council of Nicaea is responsible for Christian divisions that we see today. It is responsible for the mess that we are sitting in today. Ngizokwenza example ngoba lama example they speak to the vows omshado. Today the question is, how equally yoked are the Christians today? Abantu abashadile under Christianity, they are equally yoked. If they are equally yoked, there'd be no problems. Ngoba sizokhuluma ngoyoke. Ukuthi kahle hle mani yoked. What does yoke entail? Now the Council of Nicaea yathatha creed. Creed ke eyaxabanisa umfana ka ubani isidunyelo les Constantine. Literally a creed ka Hosius. I mean, I don't call it a Christian creed. That's not a Christian creed. Their creed based on the understanding Hosius of the events that were transpiring. Now, can we therefore come and claim that was a precipitant of Christianity now? Yeah, got an impact because ababhali be Christianity, they started to extrapolate from izinto as in a philosophy probably it comes from the Council of Nicaea. Right. So uPaul ke wasekhuluma nje hlwampu ngemshado. But now there was a problem.
Yeah.
Paul had no vision of postmodern marriages. Why based kwinto eyenzeka la? Look at the Corinthians. Ngifundisa umzowazi ngoba ithanda uba nenkinga iChrist senkulu yelokuza la. Yena nje ngifuna sibheke 2 Corinthians la kunya khona ngo equally yoked. Bese uyasifundela ukuthi uthini lapho.
Yeah. Okay, so bega khona la 2 Corinthians 6
no 2 Corinthians.
Yeah, 2 Corinthians 6 verse 14.
Oh, usifundela kahle slowly ungalijaha umfundisi.
Guess okay, ngithola ngesilungu lathi ngitholele lesizulu yeah, right, ke umsakazo kwamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM njalo mafuna ukuxhumana nathi ungangena lapha nje inkuluzo zokuxhumana 0687649969 maningaboshelwa ejoweni linye nabakholwayo ngokuba kuna kuhlanganyela nabangakholwayo ngokuba kuna kuhlanganyela kuni ukulunga nokungalungi na kuna kubudlelwane buni ukukhanya nobumnyama na.
Okay, mina ngoba omunye ulokuza omunye umfundisi noma enye biblical interpreter izoyishaya ngelokuza ngeshuhon fallacy leonto athi this does not necessarily refer to marriage. It might refer to friends or even family members or association. Ingozi musulisa lapho leli verse lizokushaya kwana lizokugangaza kwana. Manje today, let's restrict it to marriage and relationships. I started from the basic principles of love, according to Christian philosophy and according to Christian dictate. Careful of using the Bible again. So, we've got to tread carefully, we're going to end up with the interpretation. As interpretation yomuntu, to all will interpret the same verse in a different light. That's which leads into a misunderstanding of the Christian scriptures. When finishing what Christianity umdali wezulu nomhlaba noma uJesu wathi akungatsholwa vene kushado.
Uphendule Sambothi. I'm not doing any answers. I'm the guest.
We host.
Yeah.
Lo mbuzo uzothanda ukuba inkinga ngoba manje mawukhuluma Christianity
Siqale sibekelele Sambothi.
Benande.
Yes.
Sibonga umdali osigcinile sengena nje.
Yes.
Lo mbuzo uzoba nenkinga ngoba mawukhuluma Christianity kahle hle ukukhulunywa ngenye into. Makukhulunywa nge-movement leya eyalandelwa uJesu noPaul kuzoba enye into ngoba iChristianity is based kwilento iCatholicism kahle iChristianity ngoba wonke amabandla vela kwiCatholicism. So before that lento esibizwa ngeChristianity manje iyayusika impilo kwakulandelwa amasiko empilo njengoba uIsrael nje wayeyisizwe sikamdali esilandela esinamasiko empilo aso asanikwa umdali futhi mangaka ukuthi kwakushadwa ngalezi ayikhathi eBhayibhelini futhi le nto ayiqhamuke kumdali ngingayibeka kanjalo.
Yaqhamuka kumdali.
Yes.
Okay. Same Christianity imisi expand isifika kwamanye ama countries. That pre-marriage dating relationship change. Europe and America introduced something called dating. But there was no effort to put lento dating in ichaza ukuthi yini ukudata. Uma udate umuntu kwenzeka kanjani? What are the rules of dating? Then Christianity started to experience a battle. A push. Ngala, you have got the beginning of a modern era. The modern era is bent on introducing in thinking yayo. Their own thinking about how should people step into marriage, knowing each other, talking to each other, going out. Now, I'm going to tell you right on the face, Mfundis, data, it's not biblical. Number two, ungayipusha iagenda yakhona ukulala nomuntu ungashadile niqala nichaphazane ngokocansi kunama repercussions. Mase emva kwelokuza kweindaba mhlambe kodinga ke sithi dwell on dating. Yeah.
Alright ke sofikile lapha ke uSama Jobe uzosipha khona izindaba zogamanxa kwehora lesi ishiyagalolunye emsakazweni okhoma phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Mesibuya soxila kancane sigene lapha ke kuyi dating asishwi phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio. Right ke sikhona la emsakazweni lapho uhlelo khona lethu nje lethi namhlanje don't be equally yoked. 0687649969. I did say it was going to be provocative. Christian dating babundaba enhle emiyeza sivale lapho before siyidabeni.
Yeah, look, Christians are divided. And if Christians are divided on such an issue, then there's no agreement relating to the matters of dating within Christianity. In Islam, you can't have sex before marriage. It's very, very strict, clear. Buddhism does not permit sex before marriage. Hinduism is exactly that. Ngikhuluma ngabantu fornication hlobonga okuselo kakhulu in their persuasions. You know, ama Muslims amadoda mefuna ukuhlobonga aya kwamanye amazwe anti-Islam afika hlobonga khona. Then they go back into their countries and marry pure women. Yet it's clear with Islam ukuthi pure men are for pure women and pure women are for pure men. But I'm on record knowing that male Muslims will subjugate other people to very bad satanic sexual rituals. Kodwa then they clean up the act involved umuntu usehamba usiya kunkosikazi usiyofuna unkosikazi. Two, there is a lot of intermarriages between them, bashada ngaphakathi. So baneyabo nje imithetho. AmaJuda, they still use the marriage brokers, Orthodox Jews la abazali bakho bekutholela umakoti njengani njengakwi-Hinduism. Ngizama njalo ukuthi lento ngiyindlala emfundisi sibuka across the spectrum singaperceive engathi maybe this is a Christian attack. Unfortunately with Christianity confusion idlumunyo. There are so many Christian sectors, but there is no agreement with Christianity what are the laws of sex or dating before marriage. They are not enforced. Wenzukuthanda kwakho, because mfundisi, I can tell you right now, umuya Christian Orthodox Church, uzothola umfundisi abanjanga lendoda elidla lihlazi iBhayibheli engabhetela umfundisi bani kusengemkhohle ngizokhumbula khona manje. Straight you'll say read the Bible, fornication is outlawed, and akhiphe ekhwayeni yakhe if you cross the line. Kwenye clip wayeshumayela ngokuthi if you attend isonto lakhe and you're fornicating, you can't be holding any office. Get married and then come back usuzosonto esontweni lakhe. Right. Ngala eSouth Africa ngiyibonela performative Christianity nje mina umfundisi iningi lethu la damageka before shade. So there is nothing called dating with Christianity ngomthetho. Uma uthoni khona dating that's called the Bible, there's nothing like that in the scriptures. Meaning to say sishada sasine body count. Ehayi ngale nje lexa ukwenza ikhona ke lokho umfundisi okwenza ukuthi imshado yethu njani ingalungi.
Yes.
Sifika sine emotional and sexual fatigue emshadweni. Ikakhulukazi sexual fatigue. Uyikhona kubona amadoda amakhasi asebenzisa zonke izinto outrageous. Imbiza akhatha, they're boosting themselves. Yet if all men could emotionally and psychologically prepare for marital sex, would be having a long-lasting sex. So it goes back to my saying, believe me when I say this, dating is not Christian. Hake ngichaze ukuthi yini dating. Dating usuke ufuna nje ukutamuzwa umuntu noma ufuna ukutamuzwa omunye umuntu without accountability. That is dating. But abantu besifazane lengane zethu eyifundafundile zizama ukwenza iPR work lento ukuthi no, dating does not mean sleeping, it means going out with a person. No, it doesn't work that way.
Okay, if I may ask, you see uban sambuthi ubani lo thanda ubamndabenhle unono. Okay, naku you meet unono, right? What should be the steps of getting to know unono? Because ngengimshado unono ngingamazi. What are the steps?
The best ukulandela what God wills for you, not what you think should happen. Okay, let me say sinamfundisi sinenkonzo. And we have established a mega church.
Yeah.
Singa introduce the stewardship.
What is stewardship?
Okay, in relationship stewardship mina kungaba ukuthi la enkonzweni yethu sizo appoint abantu abadala. La abantu abancane mesebejola bazoreporta kubona ukuthi they are now dating. They like each other. So that ezo encourage ukuthi every Sunday or any day bonke abantu abakumarele abacabanga bathandana bazoqala ba workshop about love, relationshiping, sex education and everything. Kuthola an expert in scriptures I also interpret my scriptures for the children, but also tata from scriptures in order to demonstrate the dangers of body counting, of soul ties, and what relationships mean. Abasiz in identifying and relationship blockers and love blockers within them. Mfundisi ngeke ngikufihle lokho. Iningi lethu lathi lishada sasesi late. Asesilimele. Now, Korinte ngisho, if you marry a woman for the first time, naye esebuya eshathini, chances are that nobabili manifika I sexual relationship yenu ni measure ngaba experiences esendlele kona. No. Ngani ngiphikise mfundisi. If you meet a woman, naye buya eshathini, now ubuye ehlathini,
yeah,
uma ni choose ukushada, I standard, the sexual standard that you set for yourself is so pornographic, it's not funny. It's based on your sexual experiences that you have gone through before you met.
Yeah.
Aninaso esenu standard sex as a couple. Unkosikazi mina ngithanda into engithinta kanje eyenza kanje nje umuntu affectionate. Where did you learn those standards? Nendoda ngifuna lestyle ngifuna lokhu. Where did you learn that? Who was the steward who gracefully introduced you into the sacredness and the sanctity of sex? There was nothing of the kind. And you are trying to figure things out. Hence, most marriages are suffering sexual problems. Okay, akangenze example. Mfundisi wena ushada at the age of 28, 29, having slept with 28 women, where is your sexual standard? Mfundisi, please answer me.
Yeah.
At the age of 28.
Yes.
Yeah, having slept with 38 women.
Yeah.
So say university. A biblical school. Say biblical college. Oba khona impela. Umbuzo wami ukuthi ke usuyashada ke manje.
Yeah.
Usuthi wena I'm now settling. I'm focusing. What are your sexual standards?
Babundabenhle, since I am the guest, since I'm the host,
ngizama ukuthi mfundisi we are at a stage where sesishada ama leftovers abanye abantu, nami ngi leftover yomunye umuntu nonkosikazi uyi leftover umuntu. We are leftovers of the painful sexual and emotional experiences that we have come through.
ngesizulu
simfudumezo manje. Now ngizama ukuthini ke mfundisi, ngizama ukuthi ngamanye amazwi when Christians claim or say they are equally yoked, I think they're deceiving each other.
When they claim that they are not equally yoked.
No. Ba claim abanye ukuthi they are equally yoked.
Okay. Ivesi selifundile lithe don't be equally yoked.
Yeah. Okay, but have you noticed what I want to? I mean, a guy must come from church. Kufale having gone through a premarital counseling. Kufale umuntu esontweni angikwazi banilo tenga engiyangade esontweni. Ucreate a family portrait ayibone ku TikTok noma ku Facebook of a family eyodwa ihleli nengane esontweni. Some people are very obsessed with those pictures, but are those pictures realistic? They're not. So akamfundisi ngizama ukuthi ke uma sikhuluma ngokuba equally yoked, sisa after ngo10 mfundisi sizogibela phezukwayo lento ukuthi what does it mean to be equally yoked. But okwamanje was-setting a preamble and the reality ukuthi it's so difficult fandame ukuthi abantu besilisa nabesifazane who claim to be Christians bangaba equally yoked in today's date. Abantu besilisa bathi beshada sebeningane ngaphandle. So you are claiming ukuthi intombazane wemithi sawayizasona you are not equally yoked. Ngoba wayengasonti or wayesonta kwelinye ibandla na usonta kwenye ibandla. No babelveni equally yoked. Nani denominational akusho namaKristu. Nani denominational nobabili. It so happens that lawo denominations they fall under the umbrella of Christianity.
mhlawumbe ake sibheke la lama minutes ambalwa ukuba equally yoked njoba ivesi lifundile lithe don't be equally yoked
nabantu abangakholwayo.
Okay, asikhulume nje ngokuba equally yoked ngokuba joka elinye ningabambi nijoka linye what does it mean umuntu onjani umuntu o equally yoked?
Umuntu equally yoked umuntu ensherisha naye same core values, beliefs, and uphold a Christian value system. Any believer nobabili ukuthi uJesu wafa wavuka esiphambanweni. Umuntu probably he could be attending inkonzo yakhe now attending inkonzo yakhe. Kodwa nobabili you are practicing Christians. So yonke into is equal. So ukushada then you are yoking yourself to death. Njengeinkabi. Senifakwa ijoka lika Moya Ngcwele. Okukholakala no ukuthi nizolandela yona.
So by saying ukuthi mina noSambothi sinenkolo efanayo noma sinivumelwane ezithize ngamanye mazi izivumelwane esizenzayo zisenza sibe sejokweni elilodwa.
Yebo. But umbuzo, are you practicing Christians noma nama performative Christians? Because most Christians out there are not practicing Christians. They're just Christians by name. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Sambothi wathula.
Hayi ngithule wena mfundisi uDimbane uza nenye approach nami yami ihlukile kunale yakhe.
Okay, ithini yakho baba?
Eyami izosuka inobeke kakhulu ngoba ingakho ngathi ingagcina ngoba eyami approach isibuka ke manje lento yokuba equally yoked as ibani. And for example njengoba sila
yes
eNanda sisenanda mission la sakazela khona.
Yeah.
Imishini indawo eyayihlala abantu aba equally yoked. Ngokuthini kwakuhlala amakholwa ase American board kodwa.
Yes.
So labo bantu ngibani abantu ethwani ba equally yoked bengahlangene nabanye nje abantu bemphakathi fanele baphile impilo nemfundiso namasiko nenkolo yase American board.
Yeah.
Ngizama ngilinganisa kanjalo ngale ndawo esihleli manje. So ingakho ngithi izoba wide kakhulu.
Kahle vele it is a broad topic.
I think sichaze lokho ngase ngithi mina I want to restrict yoke yami on marriage and relationships.
Ingakho ngithi njoba ebamba ku marriage and relationships yami izovuleleka. Manje ngifuna igoqe le yakhe.
Ngisho ngoba mfundisi nasemabandleni njalo makhulunywa ngo equally yoke ubokubheka ukuthi abafundisi abakhulumi nge broader society or community because it's clear ukuthi abafundisi abaningi they've lost control of ilokuzisandla emphakathini abaphila ngaphansi kwayo. They now restrict themselves to the power that they hold ngaphakathi emabandleni. Abasekho abafundisi abane influence ye community. Sesinabefundisi kuphela abane influence over the flock that they are leading. Nakhona ukusho nje ukuthi influence ngoba there are things that they do that fall outside ilokuza Christ-centeredness. Which by the way enye yezinto mfundisi that undermines the structural integrity of modern marriages. So uma nithini uthi wena no wena ufuna ukushada nomuntu omKristu there is so much that you need to find. Are you talking about a practicing Christ-centered Christian or ukhuluma nge-performative Christian? Ngoba kukhona ama-couples la ahamba isonto afika ahlale bobabili kube mnandi ngaphakathi enkonzweni baphakamisa izandla bacule baze bakhale bethi I surrender bese bebuye lapho badlule got tops umama thenge iStropez wabathenga ibhodlela lakhe le whiskey bayohlalela endlini umama bepheka uba bebephuza ehleni engadi. Now here is the deal, drinking in front of their children uma la isotropheza etafuleni lasekitchen ubaba yakhe whisky wigaxa khona la nali iBhayibheli kwi coffee table and iBhayibheli lina wonke lamaphepha yellow la kade kubhalwa khona ama verses or underline izinto ezikhulunywe highlightiwe. Now if you take that into consideration, is that couple equally yoked?
Equally yoked in a sense because they are drinking, they are doing whatever that they're doing.
But is that the Christ standard of equally yoked? Hell no, it's not.
They which means they are equally yoked in their own standard, but not in the Christian.
These are just blunt alcoholics. Let's shame the devil and tell the truth. Those are blunt alcoholics. There's nothing yoke about them ever. So Paul maybe had an idea, but I mean, if you study religious history, it tells you that Paul came into this conclusion equally yoked in Corinth because of his lifestyle yabantu base Corinth mfundisi. Corinth kwangadlalwa kanjalo. Corinth the streets are small. It was a place next to the sea. Highest level of prostitution.
True.
Kwakuthi unkosikazi wakho exova inhlama ukuzenza amaqebelengwane ebeke follow me ebebeke la eduze kwakhe ukhamba lewayini eyiphuzela kancane ewayinini exova ayibona indoda yakhe ihamba iyongena kwi prostitute den because probably after every 4-3 houses kwakuba nendle prostitute amadoda engene ephuma khona yebo and ngaleso sikhathi wawungeke uze uchallenge ulwe nendoda yakho imiphuma endlini yeprostitute engashaya kubulala. So Paul comes into that period uzokhuluma ngokuba equally yoked.
Alright, kumsakazo khamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Space Radio. Yabona ke this is an interesting one. Khola la umsakazo ni Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Space Radio. Sekhona ke uSama Jobe yeah. Cishe ngambuzo. Sama right.
Ngishapho njani?
Hey right, ngisakubuza.
Ngibuza kuthini?
Nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM sikunika ulwazi neqiniso.
Alright ke right about this time siyaqhubeka nobaba uNdabedle. Yeah.
Now, akasigibele phezukwayo ke equally yoked in the context of umshado, not at community level, brotherhood level or family level, equally yoked. Kumina mfundisi interpretation ngicela ngoba wena umfundisi wami ke sisebenzise what I term exegesis and exegesis interpretation of this particular verse. Kuzasilida lokho ekutheni sithi straightforward ukuze umlaleli wethu us understand. Mfundisi, in modern Christianity in terms of its context equally yoked varies, siyakuvuma lokho ngithi.
Yeah, yes, we agree on that.
But uma uya with theology, not with evangelism. Izokufaka ehlathini evangelism. Uya with theology, kune consensus. That sikhuluma ngopartner la encherisha ama core faith values with your partner afana ncimishi nivumelene ngawo.
Okay, mhlawumbe sibheke le mhlawumbe ngizosishwika kancane sambothi imbuzi kancane when uPaul ebhalela ibandla lase Corinth,
yeah.
Yes, because he was not writing to the city of the Corinth, but he was writing to the church. Of the Corinth. So there were 8 problems that the church was facing.
Yeah, prostitution, homosexuality, theft, licentiousness, drunkenness, and
kuningi
yeah
ubambisana nje basesibangisana lesikhulume ngemthetho njengoba desho sambothi khona bathi grace imithetho nani abanye bathi mina ngaPaul umnyanga ngathi Apollos, this is a pastor I prefer, this is a pastor I prefer. There were 8 kodwa. So zonke lezo zinto lezo were dividing ibandla lika Kristu. And ngamanye amazwi ibandla leli laseli practice izinto zasezweni
yebo zenyama canal.
Yes, so if usambothi ona kumina ngangimusa enkantolo in a public court
Yes.
yabo
Yes.
which means ngangasasebenzisi njengoba uSambotha esho ukuthi kunemithetho yakhona yasebandleni yangaphakathi, which means imithetho yanga esidlaphe uMuslim, so kunemithetho yaka Islam esho ukuthi mina mesingazwani noSambothi what do we do.
Yeah.
But sasingasilana ke labazalwane babengasasebenzisi leyo mthetho leyo, basebenzisa imithetho yani ye constitution. So
Yes.
yonke lethu ngamanye amazwi they were now being equally yoked
With unbelievers.
exactly. So
100%.
so mesethi uPaul lana, don't be equally yoked to with the unbelievers. Why sekhuluma ekubhekise kulezi zinto lezi including nakho with dating lona, ngoba kwakukhona there's a story of umfowethu la, noma there's a story of a son eyayisithandana ne stepmother sayo, of kuyinto yayenziwa njoba dusha
It was a common practice.
a common practice
Nokulala nodadewenu.
so zonke lezo zinto lezo wayesexosha ke la ibandleni kuPaul, wayesethi ke don't be equally.
Yeah.
Yo.
In fact, what used to happen in Corinth was something amazing.
Yeah.
Uma ke kwashona uma wakho ogibela phezu kwakhe. Kwashona baba wakho omlalo wakho. Stepmother. Yeah. Ngoba ungakhohlwa iCorinth ipractice ipolygamy. Yeah. The Corinth lento yokuthi nonkosikazi ubusuba ne side chick. I know a common kakhulu eCorinth leyo, including a prostitute. And ama prostitute lapha Irish engafana laba bamemgaqweni balokuzama truck. They own temples, they own jewelry. They were high class prostitutes. But ke mfundisi ukuze ngisamarize kahle ngidedele uthabo. Lana abefundisi, they've used this verse to connote marriage and partnership. The concern is this, mfundisi. If you're going to marry a non-believing partner, uzokubulala, uzokwenzisa izinto zakhe zobumnyama, because uyamthanda na ugcina usurelent angithi usuwenza lezo zinto. Yeah, but ake sibheke the modern Christianity. Ibuka kanjani equally yoke? The trauma of marrying an unbeliever is going against the principle of God of equally yoke. However, amanye amabandla ke their opinions differ about that. Meaning to say, akukho ukuvumelana in the Christian world today about indaba ka equally unyoked. But there are so many Muslim women and Christians, they're working it out. I've seen Muslims marrying Christian men, and uthola ukuthi leyo ndoda iqhubeka ibe umKristu nonkosikazi aqhubeka abe yini iMuslim. Ingane bese choose where they want to be comfortable. And I found something peculiar. Ingane ningi they'll fall into Islam. In most couples are understanding, go to your Christian church, I'll go to my Muslim church. I found ukuthi ingane zabo in majority they tend to follow Muhammad. Yeah. Then bese kuba khona enye into nje mfundisi a complicated lento unequally yoked.
Yes.
Doctrinal differences. Ngishisa impepho umama kashisa impepho. How do we negotiate that? Bese kuba khona a sensitive mfundisi. How do we both view Christ? What does Christ mean to us as a couple? Yeah, if there is no unity in Christ between the two of us, I can tell you mfundisi ukuthi that relationship is doomed. Yeah. So ultimately ngilabe ngifuna ukuchaza khona ukuthi what I see today in modern practice, not Christian practice, because very few people out of 1,000 only 2 are still practicing Christians. You find ukuthi abantu uJesu but akhona ukugoda okuyintando kaJesu abakholelwa kona nabakupracticeayo. Now umbuzo wami uthi in a Christ-centered space, what is the ultimate goal for both partners? Is to align in their core faith mfundisi, number one, and work together to build a Christ-centered family.
Okay, nginombuzo babSambothi. Nginananga uNono. Ngiyazi uyamthanda uNono babSambothi. Nangu uNono.
Mina ngithanda uNono bafethu.
Ngiyazi uyamthanda uNono. Nangu uNono. uNono is a doctor. Right? uNono has a vision ngempilo yakhe. uNono une drive ngempilo, but uNono
is an atheist.
uNono is an atheist. right? So I meet uNono uma sihlangana imiqondo yethu iyaclicka, so ngamanye amazwi we connect physically, we connect spiritually, we connect mentally noNono. But mina ngumfundisi, but uNono mhlawumbe she's a part-time sangoma, yabo, in as much as there's this connection between us, but when it comes to religious words, mina ngumfundisi but uNono is a sangoma. Then bese kuba ke khona ke uPatricia ngizisibonelo, yabo, nango uPatricia yakholwa ushama chorus nan, but she doesn't have a vision ngempilo. She doesn't see yabona nje impilo yakhe uma seshaya ama chorus siphelile impilo yakhe.
Yeah,
Which means ngala
ubheka ukondliwe njalo nje,
ubheka ukondliwa enjalo, so ngala uma ngibheka ngibona ifuture,
yeah,
ngala mengibheka ifuture ngiyiboni. So what do I do as a person, because ngala phela sengizoba unequally yoked, but mengiza ngala ngizoba equally yoked, but then ifuture yikho. What do you do as a person?
common sense will tell you ukuthi wena uzoshada no uthanda lo udokotela. Yeah, I can tell you right now. Uzoshada no Thandazile lo udokotela. I'm throwing ngileli gama ngoba ine contradiction. She's an atheist. Kodwa igama lakho bani? Thandazile. So
Yes.
She's an atheist, but igama lakho bani?
Thandazile.
So when uzoshada no Thandazile uzosala lona uJesu osemafini.
Yeah.
Lo Jesu osemafini sesele in fact. Ngoba she only prays and nothing.
Because I
Akana
feeling ama
vijini,
chorus.
uno grade 12, une certificates of security nokuba cash. Wena ngala uthanda unako konke okufunayo. And immediately uyabona ukuthi ninothanda niyapi.
Yes.
Uyabona ukuthi niyapi nothanda nobabili. Whereas ngalana kunompilo lo unompilo akuyilutho. So when ultimately what is going to happen is that you're going to marry uthanda.
Yeah.
Unompilo uzosala, and unompilo uzoba bitter because wake wawenza ama overtures.
Yeah.
Yakhumbula eletha amanzi kuwena noma ufuna sukume eqale akubingelela kuhlangabeze emotweni neBhayibheli alithathe esandleni
Umuzoshumayela athi kuzindoda kaNkulunkulu.
bese kuzindoda kaNkulunkulu. Unompilo ke lo.
Yeah.
Uthandazile said nothing. Niyahlangana e-restaurant nidle athi next week I'm available. I'm off duty from Thursday ngoze ngibile ngolesibili. It actually telling you ukuthi lento isuggestion uyayithanda. Now the idea of a successful young pastor, it says something. She feels secure around you. Yabo. Do you know ukuthi mase nibona nompilo kaMagenpin nidla nothanda and angalimala futhi akagcine ngasabuyi kuze sontweni?
Probably she won't even see us because akadluleli nangakulezo indawo.
Okay.
Ugcina lapha kushwana.
Uthenga la uDesushwama khona.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sisatha ama standard njalo. Ama standards. So the truth of the matter ukuthi wena mfundisi wami uzogcina ushade nothanda.
Yeah.
Hayi nompilo.
So sithini ke leyo ukuthi uthanda nangu uyawushaya 90%, but u10% wakhe ukuthi uyisangoma noma engekho fully practiced, but u10% wakhe uthi uyisangoma. This is her belief when it comes to religious thing. But akanankinga nanokuthi mina ngumfundisi and she wants to support me. Uma siye enkonzweni she wants to iron for me. She wants to drive me in a Mercedes. Angise sontweni.
Khona la ngolithola ucansi khona mase kuvukela into zakhe. Fanele ubuye uhlaba inkuku umlokuze wena. Umkhunge. Yabo. Fanele ubudatshela izangoma zizosinya cabanga kwamfundisi kusina izangoma. Yabona ukuthi apho ya unequally yoked. But now here's the inkinga kaThanda atheist. She's functional and immediately
future equal.
If you, I know the future. Uyakubekela ukuthi he desires only 2 children, but ucela umbekezelele mase umthengele umuzi in a preferred suburb. Uzobe right here.
Yeah.
Okuye nokunye she'll support futhi kumission yakhe ebandla. Yes. Now the question is mfundisi.
Yeah.
Ngeke ube equally yoked. ngizama ukuthi ke bengifuna ukushiya a very painful statement ukuthi ngithi mina modern Christians are actually not equally yoked. Yeah. You see, if unonkosikazi sakwazi ukuspenda isikhathi nihlele embhedeni ningalele aspend 90% of her time kwilokuza on a social network that you are unequally yoked. Unonkosikazi embhedeni ospend isikhathi unequally yoked. Efonini when ulela ubaba wakhaya usefonini kana unequally yoked. Uma unonkosikazi ogijima hambe khuluma she claims to be a Christian kodwa hambe khuluma ngendaba zenu kwabanye abantu la complaining about how loser and bad you are usehlala ingane zakhe kodwa akakaze azakhuluma nawo confront unequally yoked.
Right, ngumsakazo okhamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Base Radio. Sambothi kushubile. Kushubile Sambothi. Mhlawumbe ke mesesi lento mesesi Mrs. Songa bamyeza umfundisi no this young pastor, are we saying to this young man compromise?
Are you any compromise? He has chosen a woman who does not share the same values and principles, but okwazi you compromise. So that's a marital compromise. Bashade foot.
So they can buy another house like engaziwa, it's a secret location we ayingeke.
She ufundisi bukhululile.
Hey.
Awena bengisaba ukuthi
abanaka uphinde.
Uthi ufundisi bukhululile.
Sondela kuyi mic.
Bukhululile ufundisi bushiye. Uhambe ke inkosikazi wakho lo mbonayo ukuthi nine future naye.
Hey. Hayi.
But yethabo abafundisi abaningi bashathene with that type of women.
Hey.
Ukuhlanganise edimbane lento ayisho ukuthi uhlanganise ube nesangoma ekhaya umfundisi.
Yeah.
Sangoma kuzofanele sihlabe, kuzofanele sigaye utshwala, kuzofanele yonke lento iyaphambana. So wena it's either ungala noma ungala.
No yabanda noma uyashisa.
Awukwazi ukuthi ukubhanqa kokubili. So ukuze nje lento yakhe ibe right she ufundisi.
And by the way 90% of abantu besifazane ake ngicizele lokho 90% abantu besifana abasontayo hayi abakholwayo ake ngicizele lokho 90% abantu besifazane abasontayo hayi abakholwayo they are equally unyoked. They are unequally yoked, sorry. They are unequally yoked to their partners. Akasathi indaba kaThanda. uThanda uthisha indoda yakhe udokotela i-civil engineer, accountant, isebenza in a technical space and is making a lot of money. But indaba yesondakala ngeni kodwa uThanda ngala ukhuleka zabe nesibibithwane akhulume in tongues. Manengane zu3 that are so intelligent and doing well. And every day uthanda ahlele bangisicefe etshela indoda ukuthi bokuvakasha esontweni ethi mina ngisebenza ngesonto for you to ride this car that you are driving to church, for my children to go to Crawford, for this thing to so ngenze njani so that ngiyeke ukusebenza abone uthanda ukuthi no yazi uqinisile ubaba uma ngithi akayeke ukusebenza then we're not going to do anything. Now uthanda for 20 years ukhulekela esontweni ngolunye usuku ngathi uNkulunkulu angabasiza indoda yakhe ibuyele kuChrist, and sometimes it happens and sometimes it does not happen.
Right, ngumsakazo kwamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Base Radio. Uthi uSambothi kuhlulile ukukholwa hamba nesangoma sakho uba right naso uyayijabulisa naso because uhlulekile, and that's a fact and I totally agree. I totally agree. Alright, ngumsakazo kwamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM Today's Base Radio. Siyabuya noSambothi nobaba uNdabenhla kaMyeza, and we are broadening it up. Siyayivula le ngxoxo yethu siyayivula. See, keeping my relationship because it simply says
uzofunda kanjani uLevi 1931 no Levi 2027 nothi isangoma sikhandwe ngamatshe ethele kubidlozi akakhandwe ngamatshe abulawo uLevi 2020 uLevi 1927 uthi ningayi kwaba namadlozi ukuba ngcoliswe yibo ningayi kohlola
hey
manje umngakho la unesigodlo kuyahlolwa uyabo nje contradiction
wenzani
ayihlangani.
Alright ke sihambe ke siyophuza amanzi ke bakithi ke bese siyabuya ke siyaqhubeka. Right kumsakazo kwama phambili nanda 88.4 FM Today's Space Radio 0687649969 0687649969 nalaba ke abathi silele ebusuku bese bayahamba beyokwenza izinto zabo. Hey Right again, umsakazo kwama phambili nanda 88.4 FM Today's Space Radio. Right again. Rather but this time mode nje ufuna nje ukuphawula noma nombuzo bakithi. Now I've got some good questions that I want to pose because we not just bashing you or anything like that, but we need to give some expert advice.
No, we're asking questions for this. We're not bashing anybody. We're asking simple question: are you equally yoked? Hell no, I'm not. Yeah. I'm not equally yoked.
Yeah. All right. Somebody. Kade uthuli.
Hayi.
Waqhamuka usothi nje ukukhola kuhlulile.
Yeah, no, kuhlulile ngoba. Okokuqala bayakwazi ukuthi wenzani mawuthi yakhona. Ngaphandle ke mawukule lento la business la khona noma bayivula business lakhe nomndeni wakhe abomfundisi nomkakhe abomfundisi bayiqeda lapho izingane zakhe nayo izoba bafuna ibusiness lasekhaya.
And they actually make more money because it's about money.
Ibusiness lasekhaya. Yabona lapho kwenza noma yini ngoba into yakho.
Yes.
Akuyona into kamdala.
Yes.
Ingakho ngiqale eqaleni ngathi uma ukhuluma ngento kamdala ukhuluma ngenye into uPauli ke wayikhuluma ngento kamdala isikhathi ekhuluma ethi ningahlanganyeli ningaboshelwa jokelini nabangakholwa wayikhuluma leyo kodwa la ebusinessini hayi ngaboshelwa nanomnoba ingakho njoba dash uDimba lethi phuma esontweni ndlule tops yabo kuyafana ningaphuma esontweni inyodli lunch
akhona mbeza akhona nokuthi sibona ubani
ingansenishilo vele into enhlale niyipreacher le ukuze inganishayi nithi nina umthetho sesiphila ngaphansi komusa umthetho awukho so akekho umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi athi ibani equally yoked or not equally yoked ngoba nibeka ibeqiye kule business lasekhaya ukuthi siphila ngaphansi komusa thina so si into ebalekile ukuthi sibe happy so manje si happy ke kuyasijabulisa lokho esikwenzayo
ngelinye ilanga ngoye ngithole njalo ithuba lokuchaza igrace ekuyiyona yona hayi le grace le ehlezi ichazo kodwa soke sichaze ngelinye ilanga futhi ucela uqhubeke Sambotha
ake ngelana ke kulaba abasakholelwa ke lapha eBhayibhelini nalabo abasakholelwa enkosini uJesu mase iqala nje lapha ake siye kuMateyu 6 ubaba wethu osezulwini siqale ku6 nje mhlambe sek10 etkepha wena nxa ukhuleka ngene ekamelweni lakho uthi usuvale umnyango wakho ukhuleka kuyihle osekusithekeleni noyihle obona ekusithekeleni uza kukuvuza kodwa nxa nikhuleka ningathemelezi ni njengabezizwe ngokuba bathi bakuziwa ngokukhuluma kwabo okuningi ngakho ke maningafani nabo ngokuba uyihle uyakwazi nikusweleyo ningakaceli kuye ngakho ke anokhuleka kanje nithi baba wethu osezilweni mangcwelisa igama lakho mawufika umbuso wakho mayenziwe intando yakho emhlabeni njengoba enziwe ezulwini number 1 uJesu uthini ukhuluma indaba yokuthi izulu nomhlaba fanele kuhlangane
okay
okwenziwe ezulwini akwenziwe emhlabeni so la emhlabeni akufani asakheni la emhlabeni indawo ezoba iduplicate yezulu
yes
ukuze masuka la siascenda sengale siqonde ngqo la kufanele sekho
asiyi kwindawo stranger
sayofunda ukuthi la kuphilwa kanjani sazoqala phansi unikeza umthetho yakho ukuthi yabona ke la lokho akwenziwa konke lokhu kutshelwa la emhlabeni you are prepared for your ascension to heaven so prepare usela ingakho ke ethi anothi intando yakhe yenziwe la njengoba yenziwe ezulwini mawusuka nje la uyothi khaqa ezulwini usungafika ke nje ukubili okuthathu mhlambe ufike kukudide kodwa impilo yala ayifane nempilo yangale.
Yes.
So uma ke ngale ethi uNkulunkulu izangoma ayingeni ezulwini.
Yeah.
Ebala zonke lezi zinto engangeni nathi ifiber ingeni nathi izinja ingeni asho yonke le nto ayibalayo. Awukwazi ukuthi wenze izinto ngala ezofika ingafunekala ingale bese uthi wena ngoba uphila ngaphansi komusa kodwa uthi uJesu mayenziwe intando yakho la njengoba yenziwe ezulwini. Number 1 Lord. Ngiqhubeke lapha ya ngiyakuMateyu ke manje Mateyu ake ngiqale ngoMateyu 10 ake ngiqale lapha kuMateyu 15:24 kodwa uJesu wabaphendula wathi angithunyelanga kwabanye kuphela emvini elahlekile zendlu kaIsrayeli.
Yeah.
Nayo ke indaba futhi mayishumayela yena noma efundisa uthi mina angithunyiwe kubo bonke abantu.
Yeah,
ngithunywe kulesizwe.
Yeah.
Mayikhulunywa ngezimvu elahlekile kaIsrayeli ukhuluma ngabantwana bakaIsrayeli babelahleke iphi ngoba they were equally yoked manje.
Yeah.
Nabezinye izizwe uthi kasihambeni siyobalanda laba bantwana bakaIsrayeli sibakhumbuza ukuthi bona bawubani babuye bazophila ngaphansi kwempilo kaMdali. Siya kulento kwaequally yoked ke le uPaula isekufika uPaul naye efike ikhuza ngoba wathi nahlangana nabantu laba abangayiphili lempilo le kaMdali nizoba nenkinga ngoba manje senenza izinto eziphambene engasafani nalezi uMdali ayifunayo. So no Jesu kusho njalo uthi mina ngithunyelanga kubo bonke abantu ngithunyele kuze kwakulethweni lapha umntwana unkosikazi efuna kusindisa umntwana wakhe ethi hayi nithi ngithathe isinkwa sabantwana baNkulunkulu ngisiphonse nje uzababize ngezinja labantu abangaphandle. Enye yento le futhi ubona umfundisi efuya inja awukwazi uma umfundisi ufuya inja ngoba isho uJesu ufanisa kunabantu abafanisa nezinja athi nithi ngithathe isinkwa sabantwana baNkulunkulu ngisiphonse injini ngoba mawusuya ngasekugcineni futhi iple incwadi lethi ngaphandle khona izinja nabathakathi.
Yeah.
Ifebe ibala konke lezo zinto lezo ukuthi ngaphandle ezulwini nje izinto ayingeni. Ngizolonga ngifunda incwadi nje sengiyakumante kuMateyu 10:5-10 laba bayishumi nambili uJesu wabathuma wabayathi ningayi ngendlela yabezizwe ningangena emzini yamaSamaria kodwa yanini kakhulu emvini elahlekileyo zabantwana bakaIsrayeli. Ngisho abapostoli ubathumani kubantwana bakaIsrayeli ekhambeni kwenu shumela nithi umbuso wezulu ususondele phulukisana abagulayo nivusa abafileyo. Bakuthiwa vusana abafileyo kushiwa nabantu abaspiritually dead hayi umuntu ofile ukuthi kuyovuswa idumbu bafile yabo njengoba manje sike sikhulume sithi la ekade ngibona izolo la siphuma la ekseni sikhumbule kuphakameni ngihamba nomfundisi ngabe ngibuke emgaqweni khona la sithe masifika khona lapha eDube Mall kwaqhamuka iveni elikhulu lamaveni lawa amahande amakhulu ilayisha amantombazane ngemuva agcwele adakiwe lwehlisa lapha emall angazi lwaqoqephi la belwathatha khona. Umbuzo wami ngithi ngoba oma beingane nje laba
and babadala ngale they are old enough to be oma
beingane laba njengoba bagcwele imigaqo baningi ingane isele noba njengoba labantu nje obebuye ekseni manje beyibuyele emashwaleni ilabo bantu ke kuthiwa bafile emayithi uJesu abanini bavusa anovusa abafileyo bonke labantu badinga ukuvuswa spiritually consciously bafile ingqondo ifile zalaba abanendaba baphilela imanje mangiphuzile ngadansa ngiqedile kusasa nizoyibonela khona abantu nje abaphila leyo mpilo
athi uniphilisile nani yena nifile ngezono nangephambeko
nazo
yeah
ileyo nto ke akhuluma ngayo la nihlambulula amanga ngichobe nikhipha amadimoni namekelise ngesihle yamukelisani ngesihle lezi zinto lezi ngakhokhisa abantu yamukelisani ngesihle niwenze lo msebenzi ngesihle ningabe senami nizenzela inzuzo ngawo utselenza inzuzo ngawo uthi hayi mawuzo kumina kuzoba imali ukuthi ngizokwenzela ukuthi kuzoba imali ukuthi cha uthi yamukelisani ngesihle yiphani ngesihle ningaphathi igolide nasiliphi. So uyabona ke lo mphakathi uJesu noma lesizwe kahle siyisizwe sabantwana bakaIsrayeli ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi basebephila ngaphansi kahulumeni wamaRoma This is why ufuna ukubalanda labantwana uzobavusa ngoba sebefile bafile ngokomoya bafile ngokwengqondo kufanele bavuswe bavuselelwe babe yisizwe so nina ke ebaphathi belizwi enginithumayo ambani ke labantu nibavuse kanti uyabona ukuthi ibandla ngaleso sikhathi lane system lane structure asekule ka Matthew 14 la uJesu khona esuthisa khona amadoda ayinkulungwane ezihlanu uMatthew 14:13 wathi uJesu esekuzwile lokho wamuka lapho ngomkhumbi wayendaweni eyihlane eyedwa kepha iziquku zathi sezizwile zamlandela ngenyawo ziphuma emzini waphuma wabona isiquku esikhulu waba nesihe ngaso waphulukisa abagulayo babo selishonile abafundi beza kuye bathi le ndawo iyihlani isikhathi sesihambile mukisa iziquku kube ziye emizaneni zizithengele ukudla kepha uJesu wathi kubo akuswelekile ukuba bamuke bapheni nini ukudla bathi kuya sinalutho kepha kuphela izinkwe ezihlanu nezinhlanu zezimbili wayesethi ziletheni lapha kimi wayesethatha wayeseyala iziquku kuba zihlale phansi etshanini wazithabatha izinkwe ezihlanu nezinhlanu zezimbili wabheka ngasezulwini wazibusisa wazihlephula wabanika abafundi izinkwa abafundi baphakela iziquku badla bonke basutha babutha imvuthuluka esele izicabethe ezingamashumi nambili ezigcwele now uyambona nala uJesu futhi is a story nje lesi ungasithatha literally ungasithatha ubheka isifundiso kusona ukuthi as ibandla uma likhona umsebenzi walo yini ilento enze uJesu la ukuzwela abantu mabefika behluphekile liyabaphilisa liyabenzani mabelambile liyabafeed you need a system ukwenza lento now uma ungenayo isystem yokwenza lento isonto ke manje selinje asenayo isystem before apartheid kade kwethu umbuso wamangisi lo wakhe lezi mission lezi engikhuluma ngazo njengoba ngithi la ku sihleli at a former American board mission la kuhleli khona inanda FM nakho ka Miss Edwards la ngenzansi ibali at that time before ibantu education yafika ne apartheid ibandla ilona lathuthukisa umphakathi
yeah that's true
ilona lalakhe izikole yayingakho phela isystem ka government wezikole ugovernment engakanga izikole zazakhiwa ama mission izikole engalesikhathi umbuso usaphethwa amangisi umuntu ofike nalento yebantu education uFairwood wase izikole kuze kube nesystem le yezikole le kwase kuthiwa ibantu education izikole wasakha uhulumeni bezabelo wasethi ukuthi vumbu izikole ke igcwala yonke indawo lezi ze-apartheid so ibandla leya originally onoma ngezikhathi zasendulo lali nomsebenzi kufanele liwenze emphakathini ngeke kube nobugebengu omngaka kukhona ibandla ngeke kube nendlala engaka kukhona ibandla yabo nje lento ekuthiwa ama social ills
zize ingene phakathi esontweni
phakathi zenziwa phakathi njengoba usho impela sezenziwa phakathi esontweni kwenziwa kanjani lokonakala abantu bethi bamela uNkulunkulu ingoba they are equally yoked namhlanje umfundisi njengoba kuzukhetho ibona bamba abamayo bakhankasela amaqembu epolitiki abathi votelana inhlangano ethile uyabona labantu they are equally yoked nabantu abangakholwa ipolitiki igcwele abantu abangakholwa ipolitiki igcwele izigebengu ipolitiki igcwele abantu ababulala nakho kuyavela la komadlanga manje siyabuka phela hawu nampa abantu osopolitiki baphethwe izigebengu futhi osopolitiki mabephethwe izigebengu wena mfundisi uthi asivotele osopolitiki uthi asivotele abantu abaphethwe izigebengu ngamanye amazwi you are equally yoked wena nezigebengu kwawena yabo la ekufanele ngakhona ibandla ilona challenge systems ngoba isystem ngoba uhulumeni wakha imithetho eyibulala imphakathi ekufanele ngaba kuphakama lona ibandla lithi no thina njengebandla lokusiyaphikisa umdala kamsana lokhu kuzobulala isociety yethu maniqhubeka nokwenza yabo lithi lona abantu abalandele osopolitiki ngamanye amazwi lidayisa ngabantu linikela ngabantu bakaNkuluNkulu kubantu abangakhona. That is being equally yoked.
Yeah.
You are being ibandla liyanikela ukuthi liyoba equally yoked neinhlaka ezikaSathane kahle kahle ngakhumbula ubaba uMbhele wayithanda le yathi nje yonke lento iSathane. So akwazi ukuthi ibandla lingathathwa liba equally yoked. Ibandla namhlanje kunokuthi libe isolution ezinkingeni zabantu likutshela ukuthi ginqela kuye. Uthi unenkinga ibandla likutshela ukuthi ginqela kuye. So lenze njani likutshela ukuthi no lokuhlupheka lokhu lithi abantu abalokhuza abakwamukela ukuhlupheka. Kunokuthi liqhamuke nama solution ukuthi abantu bangahlupheki abenze kanje ayina system lokuthi ilokhuza. Kade ngifunda lencwadi kaJesu kade ethi bethi laba ayithina sinezinkwe zanele thina uthi no lethani la zona lezo zinto bese sabela abantu kuthiwa khona nezinhlanzi wadlethani sikuhlanganisa ibandla ke kufanele libe ngokomthetho baphila as communal. Yingakho lalakhe imission njoba sithi nje sihlele imission kwakwenzela ukuthi labantu uma sebekhonza umdali babe umphakathi ozokhonza umdali bazodla ndawonye bazophila ndawonye imisebenzi evelayo eyabo izoba ndawonye. Hayi lento lekuthiwa akulungile ehlupheka manje uzobusa phambili mawunenkinga lokuthiwa hayi lethela umthandazo. No, khona izinto engadinga umthandazo ezidinga uaction ukuthi akube no action. Ngeke ukuthi uyagula emthembu noma ngiyagula ngilele lapha ekhaya ndoni fika nithi ningilethela umthandazo lapha ngidlile ansabhekanga nanokuthi khona ukudla khona le ndlela amakhola akafika azobheka umuntu ogulayo afike ekseni abanye bafike emini abanye bafike bephuma emsebenzini angane aphithizela nje uloke evusa umuntu fanakho sekufika ubani hayi bavuke nabo bafike nabo bathandaze baphume bahambe kufike nabanye bathandaze lapho lamba uyafa umuntu ogulayo yabo khona into edinga isolution hawu kukuthi hawu ukhona le ndlini hayi ahlanganiseni imali asimthengeleni izinto eziright lo muntu hayi athengele ukudla uthola ukuthi nje uzugula kangaka nje ingoba nokudla kanabo khona izinto ezidinga isolution. Ingakho amabandla ayinemission lama mission aphinde act as amanye as ama clinics amanye as izibhedlela othi noma ugule ekhaya uyiswe lapha ya esontweni uyohlala ugulele ngakhona ngoba ila uzothola khona ukudla okright ila uzothola khona zonke izinto ezizokuphilisa. But sinalento ke ukuthi ke asise ibandla alisenayo isystem yokwazi ukuthi libhekane nezinkinga zabantu njengoba ekuqaleni lalinjalo njengamanje selivelela bayilento nje likuprovide ngalento ekuthiwa icomfort ile nto uthi mawahamba ingakho nje kuthiwa lisidakamizo last week ngasho njalo athi ibandla isonto lisidakamizo ngoba uvuka manje uphatheke kabi uzofika uculwe lapha yakho ufundwa amavesi uba comforted kuthi kwehla
ube high
ube ispirit sakho silifteke sibe high ube uthwele lokho kududuzeke emoyeni uzizwe ukuthi ngaphila uphuma uhambe uzongena ekhaya
sekudambile
phinde kudambile kodwa kuphinde kuqale phansi ngoba inkinga vele ayikho esontweni isonto liyakwazi ukuthi likudake yehle lento kodwa mawufika ekhaya inkinga oyisheka usazoyifica ngoba uhlala nabantu abangakholwa uhlala mhlawumbe uzofika vele futhi kufikile lo ingane yakhe ekuhlupha ngehunga noma ekuhlupha ngani singixontshele already so uyafika vele sekunenkinga kanti uphuma lapho hayi uhamba indlela yonke uyafika lapha usunenkinga. So isonto lizokwazi ukukunikeza ihope ikunikeza ithemba likunikeze leyo belonging nje kodwa manje alifuni ukubhekana nenkinga ngqo ukuthi inkinga enje ngoba ayina ngisho rehab ukuthi hayi umlethela umntwana esontweni sizothi umthandazela sibone ukuthi sinama counselors sinazi indlela zokuthi simkhiphe idakamizweni umsebenzi walo kahle kahle lo ilona kufika ngale linale zinto lezi ama structure ibandla kufanele nane economic system yalo ngihlala ngikhuluma ngokuphakama la ngithi nangu uShambe ukuthi wafika nje before time uShambe wafika before his time isona isikhathi la idingeka khona manje la sekunjina khona ezweni ngempela wafika abantu besengcono bese right kodwa into afika imisa ayenze le ngasekho namhlanje kwakuyiyona ngoba wayakhe umuzi wastekeni bafika manje uShambe lento wayakhe eqala ukuthi la nazi izitolo uyabona modlula khona kubhaliwe ekuphakameni stores kwakunebhusha kuna chiromu kuna irestaurant edayisa ukudla hayi noma ikuphi ukudla esingathi ngokwamasulumane okhalala kuyasetshenzwa la ekhaya nazi imoba zakhe phezulu lapha kontanda kune economic system ukuthi labantu njengoba besonto abaphinde basebenze bahole enamaplaza wathengile wonke la osikhokhokho la kushona lapha eBizanga enzansi stop 8 amaplaza akhe la ayiwathengile abantu abahlali la bazosebenza bahole bakhe bakhokhe rent ngaphandle kwabafelokazi nezintandane ba exempted kwi rent umfelokazi ohlala la nezintandane zakhe uyoza qala ukurenta uma sekusebenza eyodwa izingane zakhe sekune income ke manje evela engenayo la usungaqala ku rent so laba ba rentayo basupporta laba bangarenti nabanye abahluphekayo kunendlela kune economic system yala ebandleni so ingakho ngithi mina yazi ngikhuluma ngesystem yakhe umuntu engalibhadanga esikoleni awayibhadanga esikoleni akamazi uthisha akaze kuma uthisha phambi kwakhe ngisho ka grade 1 grade R akawazi lo muntu kodwa wakha such a system eyatatazelisa belungu
yabona Sambothi kulama minutes amancane asaid you know I'm reminded of isystem njoba ngizwe uthinta le part lady halal do you know ukuthi because nje yabona ubukhulu ngifuna ukufakazela lento oyishoyo do you know ukuthi yabanje bokudla uzobona ukudla kuthiwa kuhalal lokudla lokhu kufike kube nebhodi ndethi ama Muslim ayikhaya lento NISTI onasa ban lama bhodi lawo lama bhodi then wena Sambothi musuyo vula ibhusha ufike univula ibhusha then bese uzobhalisa ngaphansi kwebhodi kamyeza lento ekuyona engamele ihalal yes ifike ke iyesitolo sithizeni ifike ethi iyohlola ifuthi imihlola la number 1 njoba ihlola la ifike ihlole ukuthi ukudla kuhalali imihlola ukudla kuhalali number 1 nikuthenga kumabhusha nikuthenga la ihlinzwa khona inkomo esilaheni lapha lezi ayilaha zihalala so buka isystem la buka isystem la ukudla
la kuvela khona
yabo kuhalali bakulandela lapho bezokuzongena ebhush pipeline le system le right kuzongena la bese kuzothi ke la kudayiswa khona ke manje in order for ama Muslim ukuthi athenge lapho they go and inspect bese bezotshela amanyeke ama Muslim ukuthi hambani niyothenga lapho bese bethi ibambalana ukugcina bese bethi ke nina njoba ni lentuzo in order to make sure ukuthi le process le iyaphumelela we are forced ukuthi nina stolen dayisayo lapha yibani nomuntu oyi Muslim angithi uyabona lapha ukuthi bukani i-job opportunity bukani economic pipeline
kade ngibona ucheckers khona ovuliwe kuthiwa halala
khona mina omunye uthi ungena kona bengike very
nje halala
khona uthi ungena nje uthi nje salam alaikum ungena nje lapha phezulu i-greeting yakho imagine yebo the pipeline lento isho ukuthi this is i-pipeline yakhona
yababona abantu aba equally yoked
yes
abangekho yoked equally yoked nabantu abangakhona banento yabo
Yes.
ukuthi ke le thina siphila kanje sinesiko impilo lethu sinani nayi indlela yethu yokuphila so bayilandela nje abaphela ekugcineni ukuze ube nale hala certificate kune percentage futhi emali oyikhiphayo uyifake lapha eFord ukuze ube senjalo ikhokhelayo
nalo
leyo mali ethathwayo iyosiza abantu njengoba wabone nama soup kitchen na yonke lento ayenzayo yokwakha umphakathi awusizi imali eqhamuka la
hayi
Christianity nayiphi system including amaNazaretha engikhuluma ngawo
yabona ke okubhlungu kakhulu kunogogo and I'm going to say this because ngihamba ngebhasi ekseni kunogogo abagibela amabhasi ngo4 ekseni
lo muntu esemdala
akakwazi ukuphamisa unyawo abeke istebhisi la ebhasini uyolanda isoup le ko Springfield le ko Phoenix
lokho nje abazukulu azondla ingane zakhe
apha amasonto konanda abazoza kuona azobalethela lento kuze bahle
equally yokho nama politician nje wena mfundisi
0687649969 wasona mfundisi kumsakazi Alright, kumsakaza kwamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM at today's best radio coming to you live from Nanda Community Service Center. Right here, it is exactly 11 minutes past the hour of 11 o'clock. Kumsakaza Nanda 88.4 FM uhlelo asilungiseni kula live msakazo Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio hlelo mfundo kamthembu ke already down until at 12 o'clock. Alright ke mafuna ukuxhumana nathi ke nje nomfuna ukuphawula ke ngodaba osikhuluma ngalo olumnandi kakhulu ke esikhuluma ngalo ke namhlanje ke lapho khona sithi nje don't be equally yoked or how equally yoked are we? It's a rhetorical question. 068-764-9969 068-764-9969 sivale sambothi la khona sibheka khona ukhotha khona the pipeline that the Islamic halal is it the Islamic culture has, and that's how it should be. And let me tell you something, Babu Sabot, if ukuthi wena ezikish ake sithi nangu uminati udayisa ingulube bese dayisa nale nale
inyama halal
nenyama ehalal, but then wena angithi bazofela bazokutshala abantu ukuthi ungabusathenga manje ku uminati wozothenga kumfundo and then wena mhlawumbe ngokuthi mhlawumbe kube ushode ngeenkuku bese uyagijima uyatshontsha uyothenga lapha ku uminati bafice le label yalo yamuntu bayalivala ikhishi. They will actually I was shocked ukuthi mina kunabantu abane power,
yes,
no matter how big ngisho ngaba isitolo sesingakanani bayolivala ikhishi lakho bavale yonke into. That's how not compromising, and that's how unequally yoked these people are.
Ilento esikhulumayo mhlawumbe omunye umbuzo ekufaka sike subheka ukuthi yini umsebenzi wesonto ngikube ngegama elule lokuthi isonto mawuthi uyesontweni yokwenzani yini oyoyenza ngoba phela khona abantu bayela ukungcwatshwa into abavele bayikhuluma ogogo sengele ukuyongcwatshwa futhi ayikho into ayiyele esontweni lento iyasho ukuthi ayimsizi ngalutho abantu othi imlindisa ukufa nje phela ngoba mayefa impromisa a better life ngale,
not even a better life. Impromise ukuthi nje kuzo at least kuba khona abantu abazobe be present bekhona bakhulumela ibandla bakhulumela omama.
Cha ngisho ngithi impromise a better life ngale, mayise hambile emhlabeni so usehlalele lokho ke nje ukuthi bazongcwaba hayi mina sengiyobusa ngale. So ilento ke siyikhulumayo ukuthi lento yokuba equally yoked ekhulunywa Paul ukuba equally yoked nezinto zomhlaba nama systems zomhlaba. iIslam isebenzisa ama systems kamdala ukuthi akuphilwe kanje kube communal kanje. iChristianity inamapha ama systems okuphucula impilo zabantu ngokwenyama nangokomoya. Sesiyikhavile le ukuthi iyacomfort la ukhona uthi nje uhlushwa ingane bazofika baba hayi nami yami injeni ingane bekezela masibanibani hayi ingane ihamba kambe nje idlala idemoni nje yabo ayinayo kodwa into ukuthi awumlethe la thina sinayo lokhuza I therapist la izokukhuluma naye noma asinayo kodwa ngedate ethile sobe sinondaba enhle miyezi hayi lokho washukumela mina nje njalo ezumfundisi ngithembisa abantu izulu nesikhoko khona izinto eseyidinga I-psychologist ke manje uthi sibhekana kanjani ukuthi siqondisa kanjani impilo amabandla kade ngibuka omunye ungena egarage leimoto ethandaza lapha mhlambe ngibonile
yes
la ngibona kodwa isonto libalimazile abantu emqondo uyathandaza uthandazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu amnike 2 million athengele umfundisi wakhe noma umholi webandla lakhe imoto ka2 million umbuzo wami uthi ufuna ukuthengela umuntu ona over 40 weimoto kumanje una over 40 weimoto wena ufuna umedela eyakho nje evela kwena ka 2 million
usazokukhubwe ukuthi akayidrive
mhlawumbe ithatha ipingane yakhe nje akayiziningi lezinto ayilenze ukunikeza usibanibani ukhutshwa yilokho ukuthi awukwazi umbone igibela njengoba ngikutshela unemoto over 40 ukiphile lo 2 million kodwa akanazo nje isikhathi sokugibela futhi hamba akayithandi kwale moto wena uyayithanda yena kanendaba nale moto oyithengayo uneimoto ezingcono kunale ziningi zigcwele igceke so ngibuka ke mina ukuthi uthi uNkulunkulu akukuphe 2 million awucabanga uku-uplifta abantu abakwile branch yakho ke yebandla I am sure la uthi khona izingane eziphasa umatric
efuna ke university
engenayo imali yokubhalisa ngonyaka ozayo I-registration fee angikhuluma indaba ukuthi asihlanganiseni imali ngoba uyabona ukuthi unayo imali kodwa uthi bangathi ngibe nje no2 million ngifuna ukuyithenga cash nje 2 million so kuchaza ukuthi lo muntu unayo imali kodwa akanakho ukuthi labantu engiphila nabo kule community yethu ngikhuluma ngebandla akulona ngoba linama branch amaningi leli bandla la ekhona fanele ngakubonakala ngale branch yakhe ingendlela esuccessful ngako ukuthi akuhlusheka kwala abantu bonke mhlambe sithenga umhlaba le branch yami inomama phakathi nensuku nalezi izingane seyiqeda isikole engafundi bayahamba batshali njoba nje kuyisehlobo abuka nje amaklabishi ethu bukani ispinashi sethu bukani amazambane ethu siyathatha nje manje siyofakela koSpa kobani sizokwenza income sibe nemali sikwazi ukuthi siphile
in fact umufunda izenzo chapter 2 verse 45 ithi babedayisa imhlaba bedayisa zonke izinto ukuze la kungabe khona ongcono kunomuntu bashare everything yonke inzuzo babeyishare ukuze kungabe khona ongcono
ingane lento okhuluma ngayo lengihlale ngikhuluma ngayo lengithi ngayifica kaIsrael ngayifica yenziwa practically kaIsrael lento okhuluma ngayo bayalingana labantu banama plaza labantu bonke lento engathi ibizwa ngama kibbutz kwathi wa 99 the time mina kade ngikhona ngonyaka odlule 99 kibbutz around Israel banamadela abanye batshala ukudla abaye khona umquba odayisa la manje eSouth Africa ovela kaIsrael khona abadayisa umquba nje uthatha wonke lo dotwe inkomo kwakhe umquba obuzo fertilizer ngala ufika ngemkhumbu usuka le kaIsrael
lapho sathi sinenkomo zethu
banenkomo bonke per month bathola $15,000
ngemquba nje
ngale amaplaza abanawo I-stipend sabo is 15,000 uyazi mali $15,000 ke ngazwa kuthiwa lithe ukwehla irand manje lila ko 16 rand so it's like 15 times 15 leyo mali ibheke koba ko 200,000 rand 200,000 ngenyanga itu stipend kule ndawo abakuyona angithi yoba besitshalile lezi ingadi sidla kuzona azikuthenga ukudla sidla la sina yonke into la but nje ayinayo imali nje kuthi nje uyigade nje ngalo
le still uzazothola profit obviously ngaleli farm
le profit ihlala la eyala ekhaya eyale kibbutz ama million they are making millions kodwa nina lento nje kade uyifunda ukuthi kuze balingane banikeza u200,000 ngenyanga now njoba ngisho ngithi isonto limlimazile umuntu ucabanga ukuthengela umfundisi wakhe imoto ka2 million iyona into ayicabangayo le uyabona lo muntu yazi ngeke ngathi ngiyayicabanga le nto ngihluleka nawo ayi dinga indaba enhle dinga indaba enhle
psychological don't
ngizama ukuunderstand le nto ukuthi ungathi uhleli nabantu abahluphekayo insonta nonke kodwa uthi wena uzokhipha ufuna u2 million nje ukuthenga imoto nje uthengela umuntu onezimoto umthe ayikho nekhumbi yala isontweni ukuthi masihamba siyibandla ke sesinekhumbi yala isontweni ezothatha ogogo labo kade ubasho bamba beyocela isopho nabebandla lakhe lo muntu ofuna ukuthenga imoto ka2 million bahamba bokhangezwa amasulumane lapha ijumbane babuye nejumbane ngisho zempuphu babuye bazokondla abazukulu into esiyaziyo lo but ke all in all kuze bangena abalaleli nakho sesidla amaningi lento le yokuba equally yokho ngempela kufanele siyibheke ngoba ibandla kahle kahle kufanele iza nama solution emphakathini
yes
akuyona indawo yokuthi ngoba manje njoba ngibuza ukuthi kahle kahle niyelala kokwenzana esontweni ngoba ngathi kuyalo kokondla umfundisi sihambisa imali kumfundisi ukuze songena ezulwini mhlawumbe omunye uzochaza ukuthi kahle kahle niyokwenzani yini le niyenzayo yini lo uthi uyayihambela esontweni likusiza ngani mhlawumbe kuthe omunye umbuzo ukuthi wake siuthole lokho kumlaleli ukuthi uyasonta kodwa manje isonto likusiza ngani
right msakazo kuhamba phambili inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio 0687649969 uzothi umunye mina ngiyasonta kusekhaya which means akabona umehluko
no angeke asonta sekhaya une relationship nomdali
yeah
ukusonta lokho ukuthi bahlangana ndawonye
yes
esebenza ke lokho abasuke bekwenza but why
yeah yo right kumsakazo kuhamba phambili inanda 88.4 FM babindabe
Yes sir.
wathula babindabe
No, I was along with Tabitha to put a very unbiased perspective because Nina, I'm stuck with unequally yoked in terms of the marital thinking. Which when families are not yoked together, there's always going to be an agreement, conflict. If una umshado no convert into a very different type of a marriage. A marriage where kufanele khona ama principles athile ningawa concede because they're not applicable. Where a level of your understanding must be accomplished by emotional intelligence. Ukuthi izigaba ingane phakathi kamama o unequally yoked nobaba o yoked now. Umama uyakhola umzalwane so ubawusha simpepho lekhaya njengoba ngishade nomama atheist mina ngihamba isonto nokuthi uma engathanda ukesonto noma then do I put pressure on my child and my wife? No, ngoba la sobabili sirulwa uthando chaza ukuthi ngizothi guys okay mina ngesontweni if ever kukhona someone who would like to join me it's open ngenxa ukuthi savumelana from the beginning noma ukuthi above the church, above the doctrine and above the principles of Christ-centeredness, I can love you more than that because it's not the church that loves. Then you create a compromise space around which it can be done. In fact, comes in the context of Amshat. Since I'm a Christian all over the place that unequally yoked, it's working. those marriages are working. Of course, some of them are characterized by silent divorce. There are so many disagreements about them. They say, would you compromise? Okay, let's not fight. Let's just coexist. So, which, by the way, the dark side of unequally yoked, which they agree on compromise. But relationships are equally yoked. What do you do with the submission when it comes to unequally yoked? So, these are some of the things that you discuss. Are we imposed gomunyumuntu? Which mean, sweetheart, ngakuthanda ngazi we are faced. But this is how now we're going to agree. There are things that you've got to agree upon. This that provides a picture and a destination. So those things are sacrosanct, meaning to say it's untouchable.
Okay. Nakho ke bafowethu sumtholile ke nanti yelo bone lihle se lisa ngoma or whatever local likona or lisa nos ngeze sibonelo and sifika to a point whereby we compromising. So I compromise esiyenzayo la, what then does that affect our spirituality? Because wonke umuntu une spiritual side sakhe.
Yeah, angithi umkami is a medical doctor. We are atheist. So you leave her to her devices. As long as they against this that go against the grain of the family spiritual agreement.
Ngibuza because kunezinto ekuthiwa ama soul ties.
Yeah.
Ake ngibuyele eBhayibhelini ngoba ngiyalithanda. Yazi iBhayibheli lisuke linezitori ezibonisha ngayo leyo nto. Uma likhuluma ngoSamson noDelilah.
Yeah.
Ayithi istory sika Samson noDelilah. Siyiwoni ngaleyo nto ukuthi Samson kwathi kuneyintombi wela kube ezinhle. Ezinhle ziningi. Wahamba wakhetha intombi yomfilisti. Leyagcina imbhubhisa. Lento yenu khona ongeke khona ozogwinya omunye ngoba lama spirits enu awahambisani.
Yes.
Khona esofuna ukuthi sidonsele omunye ngakusona ngeke nihlale ni kanje iqinisi lelo nje ukuthi kukhona ezodonsa omunye imdonsele ngakuyena it's either ingakho kuthiwa if you can't beat them join them ingakho ngithe mina mawufuna ukuyenza lento yeka ukufundisa umklasi noma uyini yeka phuma enkolweni
ngoba spiritually vele
ngoba ninemimoya eshayisanayo iyaphikisana le moya yini so nalomunye uzothi compromise kanti compromise ila sikhathi uyeka khona phela ucompromise lokho ukuthi ngiyakuyeka
yes
kodwa manje futhi awufuni ukuphuma kodwa ujayeka ilanto ke le edala egcineni uboneke lamakholwa ke esenza izinto esontweni engavumelekile ilama compromise uthi mawuthi awuthi hayi kodwa lento yenzeka kanjani esontweni yila uma compromise ke aqalwe yini aqalwe umfundisi wayivumela lento yenzeka awu sekuyathwekwa kwenziwa nto hayi kwenzela ukuthi intsha ngoba phela umdanso wabo le balungile abazowudansa kodwa bangawudansi lapha abawudansa esontweni qala ngokuthweka esontweni noma whatever le dance esontweni kuthiwa kudansela uJesu kwenzela uJesu la akwenzelwa utshwala isavana kwenzela uJesu qala lapho ke kuyaqonywana kwenziwa kuvela nje yonke into ivela ibhede ngani ngama compromise kathi ukhuluma ngehalali uma nikumdali kunendlela yakho na la ebandleni kamdali eyisiko impilo ukuthi la siphila kanje uze walinganisa wathi kwahalali bakuphuca ngisho certificate
bakuvala
so yonke into inemthetho yakho ngaphandle kwalabo abathi saphili ngaphansi komthetho siphila ngomusa into ke leyo ke vele bangenza noma yini ngoba banamthetho kampunze edlemini uzokwenza into oyithandayo so kufanele sihlukanise kahle ukuthi ukulokholwa okunomthetho noma ukulokho okungenamthetho makulokho okungenamthetho ayikho into esokuphikisa yona mawuyenza ngoba ushilo vele ukuthi hayi mina ngiphila ngaphansi komthetho ngiphila ngaphansi komusa
ngishilo ngathi le ndaba yomusa ngisazoke ngiyichaze because
awayichaza noOlivant ngendlela ayichaza ngayo kodwa nje ileyo nto ukuthi abantu bomusa ngendlela yabo
laba bayigejayo
abayigeje ngoba basuke beyikhulumela ukuvuna izinto abazenzayo hayi ngoba igeje uyazi kahle into ayishoyo ukuthi ufuna ukusupport i-lifestyle yakhe
ayi alright ke busakaza ukuhamba phambili nanda 88.4 FM today's base radio 0687649969 yabona bayangena lapha ke ku WhatsApp bayangena nawe ke ngicela ushiya lapha ke uvo lakho mesibuya nje ngala kuma advertise sobe sesike sesingena ke la sesingena lapha ku WhatsApp ke sesidlala ama voice notes enu ke if you have any comment please do send it to 0687649969 nayo iGrace inawo umthetho
Nanda 88.
Alright ke umsakazo kama phambili Nanda 88.4 FM at Raise Base Radio. Alright ke sikulona lezo hora ke la khona ke sikiya khona lapha ke socaphuna khona ke abalaleli bethu la ku WhatsApp bokhona lapha ke Sambothi usibusiso uthi asilingiseni uthi kuthula uthi makube nani studio Minister Baba Umbele called today's religion in entertainment abantu bayasonta wayechaza ngokuthi ke they twist the word of God. I think Islam is an intelligent religion because until this date some Muslims when dating they go under supervision of elders to guard them not to commit wrongdoings before marriage. Uma abantu besonta according to Minister Bella and myself, they are not understanding the real meaning of the word of God. Today's marriages are entertainment more than building healthy nation. Equal yoke in modern marriages inganekwane. To be equally yoked in modern marriages, they need to understand what does it mean ukuba yikholwa. Ngiyabonga uDlamini sibalikhulu
wayishaya khona Dlamini ke ilento ekade ngiyibuza ukuthi abantu mhlawumbe kufanele basichazele ukuthi yini le abayenzayo mabethi bayasonta noma bayakholwa ngoba kukhona ukuthi umuntu uyaya lapha uyela ukuthi uyagula noma uye ngoba kuthiwa kunezimangaliso ezithile kuthiwa mangiya kulela bandla ngizothola umsebenzi kuthiwa mangiya lapha ngigula ngizothola ukuthi kunani kunezinto zakhona uyokwenzani kahle kahle yabo njengoba eyisho nje uDlamini baba Mbhele wayechaza kahle kabi ngempela ngoba lento iwusiko impilo ingakho kuba nesifungo osithathayo uma ukhona ugcina usubhabhadiswa ngoba usulivumile ukholo ukuthi mina ke ngiyahambisana nalenqubo leya la ekhaya noma nalo siko impilo liphilo la sengizophila ngalo ke manje
alright nango omunye uza kwethu khona la emsakazweni Nanda 88.4 FM ngicela ubonga ninqulunga lo ake sizwe ukuthi uthini la
ngiyanibingelela nami basakazi
hello
Sambothi
avule la
babumyeza naza nama submissions amnandi nabalulekile isihloko sibanzi kakhulu ngiyayithanda omabili ama submissions ngokuthi vele isihloko sibanzi kakhulu but nje nginishayela ihlombe indlela engisunderstande ngayo lesi sihloko esithi to be equally yoked ukuba joka linye noma ukuba ungabi joka linye. So the understanding enisibonisa yona is amazing, siyabonga kakhulu bekumnandi kumlalela kodwa ke ngifuna ukusho lento ukuthi inselelo enkulu impela kakhulukazi emphakathini wamaKristu ngoba amaKristu lawa inkolo yethu esithandayo nesiqondayo ukuthi inamandla angakanani potentially inamandla amakhulu lenkolo kodwa indlela eza ngayo isezitsheni ezibuthakathaka okungukuthi thina singabantu sizitsha ezibuthakathaka ngakho ke siyawadinga amadoda anamandla engqondo njengoba nenza umsebenzi obalekile sengazathi ke abantu abalalelayo bangabambisisa lento bayeke bayicabanga ngoba ke ngenza isibonelo nje sokuthi izinselelo zobuKristu zingakanani ake ngithi kukhona imvuselelo ebizwa kuthiwa iAzusa revival eyaqhamuka ngala eAzusa Street America le eproduce amaKristu lawa kuthiwa ama-born again. I-system yalawo maKristu iwubu-tuck shop nyana. Umuntu wenza into ayithandayo athi usewumfundisi athi usephuma okwakhe nomunye athi usephuma okwakhe nomuthi kodwa noma uthi ubheka amabhodi akhona lawa amakhulu asuka ngase-Azusa laba okuthiwa ba-Pentecostal banamandla amakhulu lawo bantu kodwa abahlelekile abanayo i-union ekwazi ukuthi iqoqe izimali ndawonye yenza izinto ezibonakalayo yakhe noma isikole yakhe noma i-college yakhe noma i-university. Ngazi umlungu oyedwa owaphuma kuleyo Azusa revival ngithi Oral Roberts, if I'm not mistaken. Oral Roberts uyena owakwazi ukwakha Oral Roberts University out of amandla kwakumlungu owaproducer laba obaba labo kuthiwa uMiles Monroe. Sekisho ukuthi inkolo ivangeli namandla malehlele emhlabathini ovundileyo mahlezi esitsheni mhlawumbe ngizothi esitsheni noma esegolide noma ezesiliva kodwa uma ihlezi esitsheni sodaka ukhamba lumane liphihliye nje kalula lubuthakathaka. Ngibona sengazathi inkinga esibhekene nayo thina sizitshe zibuthakathaka asiyiboni lento ukuthi yini is treasure ivangeli treasure kodwa indlela eni-understanda ngayo babomyeza babuthabo ibalulekile kakhulu ibanzi isihloko sikhulu kangangoba ngake ngathi ngivakashela umzala wami osindisiweyo wanginika inyama mase ngithi ngiyatrace le nyama ngizwa ngicasuka mangidla ngeza unyanta umzimba ngathola ukuthi inyama bokuyingcuba usindisiwe kodwa akazi ukuthi akufanele adle ingcuba. So nokudliwa kwega imithetho ayinawo kodwa uKristu bakhelwe phezulu komthetho kodwa abantu abakunaka abakwazi lokho kodwa badumene nokuthi sizwe anointing. So kuningi bafethu siyabonga kakhulu uhlelo ngiqhubeke njalo
ulunga mfethu bezwe anointing Sambothi.
Washa yabo nje ngiyengithandeke maku kanje ungqulungu ngifundisa into engiqala nanokuyizwa eAzusa. Ngiyaqala nqa ukuyizwa uyichazile futhi briefly nami ngisazwe ngiyilandelele mhlawumbe usazoka ngixoxele ngizoke ngikuthinte ngqulungu ukungixoxele kahle ngeAzusa. Yabona ungqulungu uyibeka kahle ukuthi there's no problem ngendaba eka Jesu nani indaba ye-Christianity as such.
Yes.
Abantu abangayi understand lento ukuthi iyini. Yabo nalabo bayiphethe abayi understand uqinisile masho njalo ngoba bayisebenzisela ukuthi bakha amabhizinisi abo ukuthi le into esophila ngayo bese ke ivele yonke ke lento elingcole lonke ke igama kanti yona yini njobe nje kahle kahle akuyona indawo le yokuthi ekufika manje indawo ye-emotional ne-spiritual comfort ukuthi nje idinga kulokhuzana i-transform imphakathi bonakala ukuthi ifika lento ilokozana nje ilambe lincane ingakhetha uJesu nina nosawoti wezwe ngoba usawoti kwakuyinto okupreserve ukudla ngaleso sikhathi ubalinganisela ngaleyo nto ukuthi usawoti uma ke usawoti udumele kuyoliswa ngani na so nina as much njoba niusawoti wezwe inile nifike sprinklishe ngaphezulu kwalo wonke nomphakathi kufanele nifike nina ni preserve ama morals ukuyiphatha kwabantu nakhe kabusha imphakathi umsebenzi wenu loyo ezibande but iyona phatha abangayi understanding ke ukuthi umsebenzi wabo ngampela as amakholwa yini usontela nje ukuthi ngisontela ungcwatsho ngisontela ukuyongena ezulwini ngisontela ukujabulisa umfundisi wami kufanele ngimthengele imoto kufanele njoba ku December nje izinto ezobehanjiselwa abafundisi blanket unabo blanket nangonyaka odlula ade nimshango blanket aba u50
wena unabo njalo nasekhaya banawo
usathi wena unabo wena kunabo ngoba uthe uhambisa lapha ya uthengile umushu nawo kodwa umakhelwane wakho lokuthiwa thanda umakhelwane wakho ngapha
njengoba uyithanda wena
ngoba uyithanda wena uyambona uyahlupheka siyasigodola isalikwazi ngamakhelwane nezingane zakamakhelwane awuzange ukuthi mangithola ibonus yami ngihlukanisa istokfela ingane zakasibanibani uhlale kugodola nasebusika ngikubonile kulonyaka kugugelwa amajezi esikole zokuthengela amajezi esikole uzawufuhlela kumfundisi nje yonke into kufuhlelwa kumfundisi sesiyabakhonza
hey alright ke umsakazo khamba phambili Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio nangu uTamati ayisiza ukuthi ke uTamati uthini khona la emsakazweni Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio Tamati
Studio kubasakazi bami ngiphinde ngibingelele kuba bangibingelele kubafowethu esilalela nabo lesi stage kakhulukazi wema VIP thina siyesifundisana inhlonipho ukubekezelelana ukuyithoba kanjalo nokuyiphatha kahle esihlokweni senu bafowethu mina ke ngiyangijabule ngiyalithanda lolu hlelo ngoba liyasibeka endaweni la kufanele ukuthi siye khona njengoba ngihleza ngisho ukuthi ngiyengifisa ukuthi lezi imfundiso zingene nasesikoleni ikakhulukazi einganeni esibona usathane elwa usathane ulwa kakhulu ngeingane lento yake yavezwa enyakeni odlule ukuthi usathane usazolwa ngeingane and uyakwenza namhlanje abantu bayalo bayaxabana kunje aya kungesimanga seingane uyifica zenza izinto ezingaphezulu kwazo bese kuthiwa zifunda kubazali kanti cha isimo nje esivunguzayo ngiyengifiseke mina ukuthi ngixwayise kakhulu abantu abayibathi basokholweni okholweni akumnandi ngaso sonke isikhathi uyazanyazanyiswa mongena okholweni abanye abantu bayokholo balenza umswenko nokuthi azi ukuthi umuntu umefika lapho okholweni uzofika nje izinto zonke ihambe kahle never akunjalo uyazanyazanyiswa lapha kuyaliwa inkulu impa incane ngiyengifisa ukutshela ke bonke abantu abasuke bethi sebengena okholweni abanye umuntu athi usindisiwe yena ke inhliziyo ayisho njalo vumela inhliziyo ukuthi yenze lento njengoba ubabesho mobhabhadisiwe kuba nezifungo oba nazo akekho umuntu ongenalo iphutha kepha ke siye kubiza ukuthi ke wena ephutheni lakho ubehave kanjani ngihleze ke ngikusho lokho namhlanje sibona abantu beshintshile thina besazi ukuthi inja egqoka isikhumba semvu kepha namhlanje sesithola imvu igqoka isikhumba senja so nje kuyadida kakhulu siyafisa ukuthi abantu bakuqonde lokho ukuthi okholweni akumnandi ngaso sonke isikhathi ngeke kuhleze kumnandi izinto okholweni uyithola ngokuyisebenzela kuyethiwe ehlane ngavivinywa ukukholwa kwami ukuthi kungakanani ngiyafisa ukuthi lezi imfundiso ngathi ngalokho iqhubeke njalo ngiyabonga mina uTamato itika ngamatongo mane eTexini kuze kudatazela amatekisi ematika
wabeka uTamati
yeah hayi ilento sifunayo bafethu sifuna i-understanding sifuna ukuqonda sifuna i-understanding ne direction ukuthi ke siyapi yeah nangu uKing Sifiso ayisiza uKing Sifiso uthini King
Angibingelele studio ohlelweni asilungiseni ngibingelele kumphathi wohlelo umfundisi ngibingelele kuma guest babuthabo Sambuthi no babunda benhlemiyeza kanye nabadidiyeli bohlelo background hayi ngiyaloza uhlelo lo very educational liyasifundisa luhlubudlu bekhasini indlela aba unpack ngayo indaba yokuba equally yoked yabazalwane uButhabo beno babunda benhle yadabukisa yona kakhulukazi uma usuzothola abefundisi kanye namabandla sebe equally yoked nabantu abangakholwa benza izinto izenziwa abantu abangakholwa futhi bengenandaba nje kubukeka sengazi ukuthi sekuyinto nje enormal njengawo nje le uButhabo enze ngayisibonelo yama politicians aba equally yoked kanye namabandla kanye nabefundisi uthole kufike le political party kule weekend izesontweni umfundisi afika irecommend ayinikeza iplatform epulpit khuluma ipolitician libeke kahle kanye nepolitical party yalo lincome kushawa ibandla esontweni abefundisi nabazalwane bakhombisa ukulimukela ngesonto elizayo kufike abanye futhi abayi opposition yalo nabo bafike benze same thing ibandla ligcina selingazi ukuthi manje seliyamaxoki yabona sekuyindawo yokudlalela ama politicians ngakho njalo ukuthi abefundisi bavula intuba ibona bavula intuba abaphathi bamabandla ukuthi kugcine kwenzeka yonke lento ngoba kube kuthiwa they stand their ground babeke nje unyawo phansi bethi cha not in my church ama politicians nje not in my church lemkhuba yenu yenzeleni le hambani le umkhankaso yenu yoyishaya le hayi la ebandleni yabo ngaba yikho yonke lento ngiphinde ngizoncoma kakhulu umbuzo ubhuthaba ukuthi labantu abasondayo mhlambe basadinga ukubuza ukuthi uma senisontileke then what's next yini lena enye eniyenzayo ngaphandle kokuthi niyasonta nje ezoyisa mhlambe impilo zenu phambili kusasa ngoba ngempela ayikho yabona ngize ngahleka nje ubhuthabo message ay yena iyangidida lento idinga ubabundaba enhla wathi kuyihlahlela cha kodwa ngingakusho ke mina ukuthi uhlelo luhle kakhulu futhi imisebenzi eliyenzayo mikhulu ngoba lokho engisanikhuluma lapha e-studio akuweli nje endlebeni noma emhlabathini okugwadule kodwa kuwela emhlabathini ovundile ngoba thina njengama members asicebisani umphakathi wabangoni esiyiwona waka asilungiseni esilalela loluhlelo siseyinhlelweni khona sikwenzayo manje ngoba sesibonile ukuthi ngempela kufuna ukuthi siyabantu uma sihlangene sindawonye siorganize sifake imali senze izinto sithenge umhlaba sitshale silime sakhe siorganize njengalezi ezinye izizwe ziorganizayo nathi sifisa ngelinye ilanga achieve izinto ezinjengalezo siyabantu abamnyama siorganize so uhlelo siyacela ukuthi ngempela sengathi lingahleze lukhona ngoba njengoba sesivukile thina ezi abangoni bakwa asilungiseni kwa asicebisane silalela lolu hlelo ngikholwa ukuthi baningi abanye abasazovuka emva kwethu benze okufanayo nabo noma mhlambe basijoyine kulama groups esibona ngokuhlukahlukana kwethu ezisesibonile ukukhanya from imfundiso esiyifunda kulolu hlelo ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba bese ngihlela ngezansi ngingaze ngilule kakhulu angibonge uKing Sifiso kwaDukuze Thethe phansi sitikidikile shalom
Somebody
King Sifiso engijabulisa ukuthi nje ukuthi uthi khona sebekwenzile ezabalaleli balolu hlelo okuthi uhlelo aligcini ngokuthi abantu nje sikhulume libathinta in such a way yokuthi asisukume senzeni yabona ke manje makhona sekwenziwe engathi le mphakathi le akhuluma ngayo King ulo baba umbhelelo kwekhuluma ngayo
yes
ethi loniza la kubangoni la kubangoni masikhuluma sikhulumela ukuthi as much ngizokwenza la thatha lento esenza la nawe uye ngasemphakathini wangakini nakhona nifike niyenze ibe ningi lento igcwale indawo yonke uyabo so ngiyajabula ukuthi uKing Sifiso ngoba isonto ngeke senzele lutho ipolitiki ngeke senzele lutho sinamandla okuzenzela ileyo nto sinawo amandla kodwa manje asiwaboni kodwa sinawo uyabona nje sengize ngayivulela iFacebook group page iland iWilcox farming yabona mase ucinge iWilcox farming group ila sitshala khona sitshalile esishawa imvula ekuyana la isita nalo Wilcox farming group iplaza la yokuqala leli intention yethu ukuthi sibe namaplazi all over endaweni eziningi ezihlukene sikubela ngoba sesiqalile isiqale last year in fact siyasebenza asigcina ukukhuluma ngoba lanto kulontshathi imali noyifuqa emasontweni abafundisi babuye lapho nilambe bekhona nilandele usopolitiki banikeza ihope yazi so politics wakhuluma inqaba
yeah
athi uma seningivotele ngizonenzela ukuthi uhlula yini manje ukwenza angithi nabantu abakulandelayo azithi nje no 50,000 wabantu abakulandelayo ungakangeni uhlulwa yini ukuthi hlanganisa le mali la niyayikhipha nemali zo membership ngithathe le mali le
nikwenza
do something alright yabona manje sokuthemba ukuthi ungakangeni kodwa khona into obusuqalile wayenza angena umuntu aphatha baningi ngeke ngibuza ukuthi awahleka usibani lo nje obethu usafuna ukuphinda phatha ngakubo yini akhona seke wayenza
lutho
la esigodini nje lesasakhele mangawu semakhaya noma uselokishini esekshinini ahlala yini asekayenza khona khathi ephethe waphuma manje uthi usefuna ukubuyela futhi uthembisa okunye futhi kodwa sikhathi ke sesemandleni akazange azakwenze lokho udlala ngani nabo abantu nje bayivume leyo qala ungakangeni emandleni ukuze sikuthembe ukuthi hayi yabo nje benze okuncane okungaka kusho kukhula zokwenza mangase simnikeza amandla lo muntu
kusho ukukhona akuthembisayo
ukhona ngoba already uqalile
yebo
manje ungathi wena hayi ngizothi yabona manje ngangena emandleni ngizokwenza bese uyabala bathi yini lento yabo basuke yini leyabasuke bezoyipresenta kubantu manifesto uzositshela izinto ozozenza kodwa ungakazi uzuzenza asikaze sikuze nokuthi nje uyasiza emphakathini wangakini ngo uhlanganisa abantu uyazi khona into esimple uhlanganisa abantu wathi ngcolile lokushina sicosheni ududi
ubonakala nje be visible
yabo into engadinga imali ukuthi akasicosheni nje ufaka icampaign nje ukuthi akubeqina ngalahla emgaqweni ngalahla udodi ngalahla amabhodlela phansi ahlaba ingane icampaign engadingi ngisho isenti ukhombisa ukuthi wena umuntu okhathalelayo umphakathi uthi ulinda ukuthi uqale ungene esikhundleni
kwasona isikhundla ongawazi ama expectations akhona incindezi yakhona
udlala ngathi
Sambothi mhlawumbe mase siwa siyasonga
ngikhohlokubheka uFacebook
yeah uFacebook
othi ngibo
yazi I'm trying to remember ukhona ubaba okwazama uqala lento le ye Christian financial system but nje why lento and I think abantu abaningi abayi understand ngale nto ayizama ukuyenza because I think why ifuna ukuvula I Christian bank or something
why complicate
yeah
kodwa into kubayeke ibe simple edinga i participation yabantu siyenzeni kena bezoyibona sisibe ndawonye siyenzeni sonke uthola ukuthi umuntu into ayikhulumayo iyona but it's too complicated nje ukuthi kusuka umuntu oyi-economist noma yini ayibhale lento yakho le presentation yenza uthothi kuduma amakhanda kuthini ya lento
yeah
ayisigcine silahlekile iyona kodwa manje usuke wayibeka ke ngendlela nje ephezulu esidida hayi Facebook bakhona ku Facebook kodwa ba commentile
alright mhlawumbe sesiwa siyasonga ke baba uSambothi mhlawumbe namhlanje la khona sisithi khona ke how equally yoked we are mhlawumbe isiphi isifundo mhlawumbe iziphi inqumo mhlawumbe umuntu angaphuma nazo namhlanje
isihloko how equally yoked are Christians today yes ngalento ekade isho uNgqulungu ukuthi inkinga yethu ngathi asazi ukuthi iyini yona lento uKristu siyithola si-equally yoked ngoba equally yoked kakhulu Christians ngoba abantu bake bathi ke ngikhuluma amaKristu namaNazaretha nawa equally yoked nezinto zomhlaba ingakho namhlanje uthola iNazaretha lisangoma during the week leNazaretha ngesabatha selifaka umNazaretha libuye eNazaretheni loba kuyisonto namhlanje lisesigodleni ngena abantu bazohlola bazokwenzani whatever
ngomsombuluko isangoma
ngomsombuluko emsebenzini unezinto nje uhlanganisile lezo zangoma zizayibizwa ngamazangoretha ngoba uhlanganisile nje konke kuhlangane phakathi nama Christians ikasenjalo njengamanje kwawona why understand Christianity so sibaningi esinga understand yengakho ngithi abantu abanjengama Muslims amaJuda ane system yabo yokuphila bayayilandela bahleli kuyona so nathi mangase sibe ne system ngeke izeyenzeke lento amaKristu engakabi nalento ekuthiwa mhlambe iconference noma ingqungquthela ezohlangana akabonisane ngeChristianity njengoba kubona ke kwakhiwa lezinto ekuthiwa section 22 ngoba abantu babe nama code of conduct kwazi ukuthi kahle kahle nihamba phi ngoba khona abantu abayibiza ngamaKristu kodwa ayikho into yobuKristu abayenzayo uThabo kaSambuthi kuyabonga sengitholakala enambeni yami le entsha ngoba yahekwa le ndalo 068 nayi ibuye nje 068 wenkosi khwenga ibheke
ngicela ungibona sizoyithola khona la
nami ngifuna ukuyibheka la ku WhatsApp
yeah ke support 068 871 awusone madoda 068 871 alright ke umsakazo wakho amaphambili nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio igama lami ngumfundo ngwakamthembu mawuthanda uzothi umfundisi umthembu yeah alright
mdali mayivumile ngesonto elizayo
this past week ngiyathola ithuba lokushumayela ku graduation madoda hayi alright umsakazo wakho amaphambili nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio thank you so much asilungiseni uhlelo siphinde sihlangane futhi umdala mayivumile next hotel zayo kusekhona ithimba la iGhost negosikazi ke bazohlala nawe kuzokubombelana ke ihora le 12 kuzokubombelana ihora lesithathu